Right now I'm recording the Mazak Quick Turn N20 Universal CNC Turning Center. I'm ready. Okay, thank you. Looks like a nice clean machine. There's a tail stock. Is there a program in it? Or no. Okay.
Oh, I didn't need that one.
No, you don't. You don't. Can you take the spindle up in a higher speed?
Yep.
And I think that'll be all we need. Sounds very quiet. How fast are we going now?
Right now we're at 1,000.
You said 9,000?
1,000.
1,000. You could take it up to like 4. How fast is that? You said 3? 2,000. Yeah, a little bit more and that'll be it. And how fast is that? 26. I think that's perfect. It's a nice looking machine.